Is anybody tired of these storms? We have woken up 2 days in a row to a horrendous mess. So we got some of the mess cleaned up, and then I decided I was going to make breakfast. Jalapeno poppers again. I'm going to show you how I did it in the camper. I'm going to show you how to bake in this multi-use little microwave we have here. So I put this pan in, that's the solid pan, and I just put it on top of that microwave glass. I'm going to put my poppers in. So you go over here and you choose what you want to do. And I want to do bake. And then after you do bake, like you could change the temperature, but I think 350 is going to be good. Then I click start, and then it wants me to tell it how long I want to bake. So then I just do the minutes like this. It is kind of cumbersome, especially if you're doing a lot. I'm going to try 30 minutes, and then I just hit start. Now, what I forget every time is this is going to preheat, and I've already put the food in. So after it preheats, it will blink and say add the food. So I will just watch for that, and I'll open the door, and then I'll just click start again, but I'll show it to you. This is what it does. It says add food. So then I just open the door, shut it back, and click start, and there it goes. Also, I forgot I want to turn on the little fans. I think they're just like little computer fans that you can't see them, but Paul installed them on each side. So I'm going to turn that on. I think I'm going to turn it on high. It says I'm cooking at 350. Then I'll just remember to turn them off when I'm done. If you're wondering where the heat exhaust is, right here. This is at the side of the microwave, see? So right here, these were already here. I don't think it was an add-on because we purchased this from a previous owner and he did some upgrades. But anyway, these are here to help the microwave exhaust. This is my poppers after 30 minutes at 350 and this Galanz on the bake setting. They look pretty good. I do think I'm going to cook them a little more to try to crisp up that bacon, and I'm going to drain some of the grease off. Here's the finished product, and I even got some oranges for us. Get our fruit in. Country Barn Gifts and Crafts. I've been coming here for years, so I was so happy to see that it's still here. And I mean, look y'all, this is like knick-knack heaven. I'm gonna go in and check it out. Some gorgeous tomatoes, green tomatoes, yum yum. I love fried green tomatoes. And peaches from Alabama. They got fudge, jellies, all kind of cute stuff. This is just one room. Look at these trays. Those are so pretty and affordable. No, okay, I thought it said $16.34, but still, these are so cute. All kind of sugar scrubs over here. These are only $5. I think I'm for sure gonna get me one. They were so sweet. They let Henry in. Henry, are you being good or crazy? All kind of pretty woodwork. Things for your garden. Holiday room. Yay. I love decorating for the holidays. Look at all this Christmas. Christmas is my favorite holiday. So many pretty things. Those are cute. I feel like this is the perfect tree for my daughter-in-law. It is so cute. This is a cute craft idea. Just take a frame in the glass and paint a cute scene on it. Love these. I'm a sucker for a tea towel. I have so many. And they have some cute ones with little cute sayings. Now this I love because girl's gotta have her butter. The Fluffy Butt Club. I think that's for me. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Let's have a, ooh, we got bacon. We could have a BLT pop-up. Henry's calmed down. Some Butterfinger fudge. Yum, 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 yum. I did get the Fluffy Butt Club towel. I love it. And the sugar scrub. And if you want to visit, here's the address. It's a cute place. Butterfinger fudge. OMG. Let's try. Mmm. Definitely has a Butterfinger taste. Next on the agenda was the Trout Hatchery, right below the dam. So this is the Trout Fish Hatchery, and you can see all the movement from the trout in there. It is a rainy day, a lot of mist in the air. So cool. And Henry got to come along for this trip too. Here's some that are really jumping good. Whoop. Yeah, it looks really black where they're just all gathered up together in a school, but it's fun. Uh-oh, one didn't make it. Look at Henry. He's being so good. He's the best little traveler. Got my sip club for the day. This is an orange punch, I think. Drinking my calories on vacation. I just had a crazy experience in there. So I was having trouble getting my app to work. I walked over to the kiosk, punched around on it, but I didn't order anything. I didn't even look at sandwiches. I got up there to get my drink and my name was up on the screen twice. And they said, maybe there's another person with your same name. Well, no. I got to looking at my email, and somehow, trying to get my free drink, I ordered $23 worth of stuff. They were so sweet, though, and they refunded me. This is a view of Bull Shoals Lake, y'all. It was unbelievable, and there's all kind of power lines. Some of them in the water. So dangerous. This is why they're not lowering the level of the lake. We made it to the landing, and first stop was Galanz. We didn't eat there, but we have reservations for tomorrow, and I can't wait. I picked up this ooey gooey butter cake for Papa. It's one of his favorites. And I've never heard of sweet potato butter. I thought that looked interesting. Oh look, I found Pauline. She was busy at work in the kitchen. Seriously though, they had some of the cutest little things in here. I had to rein myself in because I wanted to buy a lot. So cute. All kind of mixes for cooking. And you know, Pauline loves her butter, and so do I. I love the little bases with the flowers in them. The little short one was only $9.99, and I really wanted it. This pillow is a perfect retirement pillow. Saw that at Kirkland's. Then I went in the store. I don't know what the name of it was, but it was absolutely gorgeous. I mean, the displays were just wow. And they also had some really cute boutique type clothes. I love these funny little cups for gin. Then we made a trip to the Bass Pro Shop, and Henry got to go in. He's checking out the aquarium. He's not overly impressed with it though. Henry got a toy in Bass Pro Shop. You'll see it later in the video. It's a duck. It was a gorgeous day to be walking out on the landing. This is Lake Tanacomo at the landing, and they have this pretty little fountain display. And these are hotels, so that was cool. I hadn't seen that before. It's been a long time since I've been to the landing. The great white shark is my favorite pizza at Mellow Mushroom. Paul really enjoyed listening to this man. He said he sounded just like Johnny Cash. Henry had fun at the landing, but he was tired. We got home and he looked at his new duck. He wasn't quite sure about it. He likes his Old Faithful. Thank you for watching Mazes on the Move. We hope you come back, like and subscribe.